So here I have the mattress topper from LINSY. I was looking through all the frequently asked questions. I saw how easy is it to set up, what is the expandability like for this topper, and then what is the overall comfort level for the mattress topper. So I'm gonna answer all those questions and hopefully help you out. So for the first one, what is the ease of setup? Super easy to set up. There's gonna be straps that are on all four sides. I actually have a video going in the corner where you can see me actually set it up, but it only takes seconds. You literally just strap it around your mattress and you're good to go. Now for the second question, what is expandability of this like? So in that same video, I actually do measure it. I have the 3-inch one and it does expand up to the 3 inches. The only thing is, please do give it like a couple days. When you first take it out of the box, it's gonna be pretty compacted. So do give it a couple days and then it will expand to whatever size you bought. And now for the final question, what is the comfort level like for this mattress topper? So it's very comfortable to make any mattress way more plush. I got the 3-inch one, so it's gonna add 3 inches of gel memory foam. And one hidden perk that I found out about this is actually made my bed a lot quieter. So sometimes my springs were kind of squeaking around when I was moving on it. And when I put this on top of it, I've noticed a lot less noise when I'm moving around my bed. So that's, a hidden kind of perk to this, along with the added comfort level to my mattress. So overall, I think this is an awesome mattress topper. I put it on a 10-inch mattress. It went on super easy. It does its job, and it seems to be an awesome quality as well. So overall, I'm super happy with my purchase.